Motor Carrier Safety Series, Load Securement and TieDown Safety, presented by Connell Insurance. The Department of Transportation maintains requirements for securely tying down cargo in transit for your safety. Unsecured cargo can become loose and fall into the roadway where it poses an accident hazard. One of the Federal Department of Transportation's roles is to oversee interstate shipping and trucking. In this role, DOT has set safety standards and requirements for loads on flatbed trucks that require tie-downs, including requirements for specific types of tie-downs to secure cargo. At weigh stations, inspectors perform tie-down checks in addition to cargo weight checks to ensure that drivers are meeting these standards. Improperly secured or loaded cargo, as deemed by inspectors at weigh stations, can heavily impact motor carriers from a financial and operational standpoint. Each improper load securement violation is reported to the DOT's FMCSA, who tracks these scores using their CSA scoring guidelines. Improper load securement violations generally carry a severity weight of 7 out of 10 due to the dangers improperly stored loads pose to pedestrians and other motorists on the roadways.
The majority of load securement violations carry a severity weight of 7 CSA points. See the examples below.
The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration also requires that tie-downs be of sufficient strength to secure cargo. When using indirect tie-downs or tie-downs secured on both ends of the trailer, the tie-down's working load limit must be half of the total weight of your cargo. When using direct tie-downs, which secure the cargo to the trailer, the strap's working load limit must be equal to the load you carry.
Here's a summary of working load limits.
All tie-downs must be free from knots and repaired in DOT-approved manner for the type of tie-down and protected from rubbing or abrasion through the use of edge protection. Each tie-down must be secured in a method that keeps it from coming undone or loosening while in transit. Tie-downs must be adjustable so drivers can tighten them if items settle in transit. Tie-downs can be made of steel, chain, webbing, wire, rope, or cord. The size and weight of your cargo determines how many tie-downs it requires. If your cargo is less than 5 feet long and weighs less than 1,100 pounds, 1 tie-down is adequate. You must use 2 tie-downs if you transport an item less than 5 feet long that weighs more than 1,100 pounds, or on any item between a length of 5 and 10 feet, regardless of weight. For each additional 10 feet in cargo, you must use 1 more tie-down. Thus, a 12-foot load requires 3 tie-downs, and a 20-foot load requires 4. Although the Department of Transportation requirements on securing loads is broad enough to cover most cargo, detailed requirements for specific situations including transporting logs, automobiles, rolls of paper, pipe and tubing, boulders, lumber, and metal bands, specifically logs, must be bound together for transportation. A truck may not transport more than 4 processed logs at once. For many other items such as vehicles, whether general tie-down requirements or more specific requirements apply depend on the weight of the item. Please make sure to reach out to qualified professionals to train drivers on proper tie-down techniques and strategies. Please utilize Connell's on-site DOT consulting or online video library for more information.